Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. Today is my birthday, the 11th of April. It is Saturday. It is Easter Saturday. Is there a Saturday? Is there a name for the Saturday? I don't know. It is the Saturday before Easter, my birthday, and I am making my own birthday cake. I can't go out anywhere. I was planning on going to Birmingham to see my family. That fell through because the big C and all that jazz. So here's me making a cake. I say making a cake, it's like opening the box and seeing how well it turns out. So I got this one from, where did I get this from? Tesco's? Don't think so. Honestly can't remember where I got it from. It is Jane Asher, don't even know who she is. Can't be that hard, can it? I don't know. I think I need a bowl, so I'm going to get a bowl. I have one somewhere. Got one. Check this out, it's so pretty. I hardly use it, but it's all like, see, it's let's make a cake. Let's eat cake. I got this one for like £2 from Asda in the sale. So, I can't believe I'm spending my birthday in the flat on my own. I mean, like last year I was in Birmingham, the year before that I was in Paris, and this year I get to spend my birthday in quarantine. So, there's 2 bags. That's chocolate cake. What's this one? Chocolate icing. Also we've got icing. It's bugging me now where we actually got this from. Was it Aldi? Do Aldi sell these? I don't know. So what do? I've preheated the oven because I made that mistake last time. 3 eggs. I need 3 eggs. A tablespoon. With vegetable oil. I've got a vegetable oil. I don't know why I have vegetable oil, but I've got it. The cake I'm making actually, it's a chocolate fudge cake. Water. Lightly greased. Wait, let's go straight into. Lightly greased 2 pans. I've only got 1 pan. Is that an issue? You know what, I'm just going to make one big one instead of layering it. So I've got to grease a pan. Into not wire. Is this 18 to 20? Well, it should do, shouldn't it? I don't know. Well, it's the only one I'm going to use. Empty the cake mix into a bowl. Oh, it smells amazing. Sorry about the glare here. Can't do anything about that. Empty the cake mix into a bowl, add the eggs, oil and water. Water. Yeah, water. So, eggs, I need, was it 3 eggs? 3 eggs. Can't even open the box. Done. Right, 3 eggs. I'm going to put those away. Then I need 7 tablespoons of vegetable oil. That is a tablespoon, isn't it? Yes. Teaspoon's a smaller one, right. What next? 5 tablespoons of water. mixer whisk thingy here. I'm just going to use this. Right, mix that and the oven is preheated. That's what that noise is, it's not a bomb. I am going to wash my hands and grease this. So I think that's greased enough. Then I'm just presuming I'll just put I'll pour it in there. So that's in there, and now I'm going to put that in the oven. And I shall see you in 25 to 30 minutes. So it's been half hour, well actually 25 to 30 minutes, like 27 minutes, who cares. It's nearly time, so I'm going to take it out. The kitchen smells amazing. It looks cooked, but is it cooked inside? Let's find out. Oh. Let's probe it. It's clean! It means it's cooked. So, I'm gonna leave that to cool down and then I'll crack on with the icing. So while the cake is cooling down, I am gonna make the icing. 100 grams, but I don't know what 100 grams is. Well that's 500. Have I got any? I've only got one of these scoops and this is 80. This is 80, so I'm going to use one and a bit of this. And then, I'm presuming I'll just add this. Put the butter into a small bowl and beat with a fork or wooden spoon to make it soft. Add icing mix gradually, adding a few drops of hot water if necessary. I hope it thickens up though. I don't know how to thicken it up. Because if I put that on top, it's just going to slide off, you know what I mean? Right, I am going to leave that. That's still going to cool down the cake. And then hopefully when that cools down, this is thickened up a bit because that looks like I've done something wrong. So I shall see you in a bit. Okay, well, we have a problem. It still hasn't thickened up. It's been about 45 minutes now, and there's no way I can put that on the cake without it, like, sliding off. So, don't know if it's going to work, but I've got some buttercream style icing. There's only a bit left, so I'm going to mix this into that to see if I can thicken it up. It's thickening up a bit. Right, I'm going to find a bigger bowl. I've got a lunchboxy type thing. I'm going to pour it in there so I've got more space to mix it. Yeah, it's thickened up a bit now, so I am confident that that's going to be okay. Now to decorate it. Do I just splodge it on? I don't know. And there we have it. I'm hoping it's gonna, like, the icing on top is gonna like harden a bit. So I've got some decorations. I've got some standard sprinkles. Oops. So sprinkles are done. And I've got some chocolate buttons. So I'm just going to place a couple of these on. Oh, that was the perfect amount for that. And I am really happy with that. Look at that, it's about. So that is the finished product. I think it turned out quite well. The only thing now is to try it. So let's try it. That's what it looks like on the inside. Looks like a proper cake. Now that's edible. The inside is so nice. Thumbs up from me. Right. I want to eat the rest of that, so I'm going to end it here. Thank you for watching this video. I've enjoyed doing this video. If you want to see me do more videos like this, like making stuff, like cooking or baking, let me know. Leave some comments down below, and I shall see you in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.